it's Maxine at Fabricland. I'm going to give you a few quick fancy dress ideas for World Book Day. So does World Book Day fill you with dread and think, oh, what am I going to do? Hopefully we've got a few quick tips and ideas that will help so you can get your child all dressed ready. So we've got lots of different fleeces that have got like animal prints and things like that on. So maybe you could make a tabard. We've got cotton prints. So maybe if you wanted to do the tiger that came to tea, they could dress as a tiger, make a tabard, and then maybe a little pair of ears or something like that. What about Harry Potter? It's very popular. I've cut out some felt here to make a tie, and you could make it for any colour for the houses you like. And I've made a quick cape here. So I've got a piece of black fabric, and you want it as long as the child wants it to have. And then all you're going to do is to do a little hem. I've just stitched, you can see, it's very along here and made like a casing, and then I've threaded the cord through, and you've then got a quick little cape that you can just do up. And maybe you could use that as for a superhero as well, maybe Little Red Riding Hood. We do the crushed velvet in lots of different colours, so that would look lovely for Little Red Riding Hood. We do sequin stars if you wanted to do superhero or wizard, so that would look quite good. We do net. Maybe if your child liked to go as a fairy or a princess, you could make a little net skirt. This is really easy to make. All you need to do, you probably only need a couple of meters of net, and it's only sort of 140 a meter. So you can just cut yourself a strip. Okay, I'm just cutting off the selvage edge. It's already folded in half, so I'm just snipping that. And then all you've got to do is just to thread it over the ribbon like this. Okay, and you're just tucking it in. Quite simple, and you can make it as long as you need for your child's waist, and then they can just tie it round them, and you just keep going. And also if you pull these, they sort of go a bit curly as well, which looks quite good. So if they wanted to be a fairy princess, I know there's lots of fairy princess type books, but that would look quite good. And you see, and then you've done it quite easy. You could do it in the colours of the fairy princess, so that maybe is an idea. We do gingham, maybe if you wanted to be Alice in Wonderland. So if you wanted to go all out and make a dress, you could use that. We thought maybe about Where's Wally? And we could use the pipe cleaners to make ourselves a pair of glasses. And maybe you've already got a stripy t-shirt that maybe your child can wear, or we do stripy t-shirting. You could make a quick top. Also maybe use these for Harry Potter. So, and the pipe cleaners are £1 a bag. We do suedette, which would make lovely tabards if you wanted to maybe go as an elephant, or you would like some fur maybe to go as Fantastic Mr. Fox. So we've got lots of animal tone suedettes. This is really good. It doesn't fray, so you could make a quick tabard again out of this. We've made some animal ears. Okay, so what we've done is we've used one of our clear headbands, a felt square. We've cut it out. The stitching isn't the best. It doesn't have to be the best. You could use it with a hot glue gun, but maybe you want to go from something out of the Lion King, so that would look quite nice. We do suedette fringe as well. We've got felt in lots of different colours. Maybe if you wanted to make a mask or something like that. It doesn't fray, so it's really good. It is a bit stiffer. Maybe if you wanted to make Mary Poppins' hat, you could have a go at doing that out of the felt. We've got lots of animal print cottons that maybe if you wanted to go as an animal. So there's lots to choose from. We do felt squares. There's lots of different felt squares that we do. You can use to cut out and accessorise, maybe make flowers out of, stripes to go on things, maybe accessorise t-shirts and make tiger stripes. So it doesn't necessarily mean a big costume you've got to make. You can just maybe adapt something you've got at home. So come and have a look at our website. Our girls in the shop are always happy to help. If you go in, they'll be able to give you some ideas. Maybe take the book with you so they can see what you're trying to achieve, and they can give you some ideas. Like and subscribe this video so everyone gets to see our ideas. Thank you.